Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week, a major development unfolded in Untold State, South Sudan. The SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, has given a 7-day ultimatum for civilians in Warab State and Mayom County of Untold State to surrender all illegal firearms or face forceful disarmament. This follows President Salva Kiir's declaration of a 6-month state of emergency in response to ongoing intercommunal violence. In Mayom County, local leaders have welcomed the disarmament initiative but raised serious concern about its uneven implementation. Paramount Chief Justice spoke to emphasize that disarmament can reduce revenge killing, cattle raiding, and community clashes. However, he warned that without expanding the program to neighboring areas like Rupkona, Ruweng, and Lake State, civilians in Mayom will left vulnerable to attack by those who remain armed. James Jal, a youth leader in Pol Payam, support disarmament, but only if it is peaceful and community-led. He warned that a forceful approach will likely spark more violence next week, putting innocent life at risk. Civil society activist Tab Dak Far echoed this concern, calling for inclusive consultation with local chief, religious leaders, women, and youth. He stresses that disarming one area while leaving others untouched creates an imbalance and may invite new attacks from neighboring communities. The message is clear. Disarmament must be fair, inclusive, and peaceful. A one-sided approach could do more harm than good. Let's continue raising awareness and encouraging dialogue among all stakeholders. Only through unity and cooperation can we achieve lasting peace in our community. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.